Hi there, it's StP Company and me, Vladimir Smirnov. We have great news. We're starting the new project Renovation School of StP. This series of videos where we will show step-by-step guide of home soundproofing, present new production line of architectural acoustic of StP, share our experience in soundproofing life hacks, speak about the effectiveness of our acoustic solutions. And this first video is about the solutions for ceiling. Here we go. Before starting the main stage of working process, it's necessary to measure the premises and calculate the consumption of materials. We'll need following stuff: Convalate Pro, steel profiles 27 by 28 mm, steel profiles 27 by 60 mm, vibro-damping tape noise block 30 and 70 mm, drywall, sound insulation material noise block 2A. Don't forget screws for drywalls, concrete nails. Prepare your tools in advance. Mounting gun, screwdriver, laser level, builder's level, tape measure, box cutter, marker, circular saw, tin snips. Apply primer of deep penetration to the ceiling surface before installing the soundproofing construction. Mark the profile system of the added sound insulation. Apply the Convalate Pro 35 over the entire surface of the ceiling. Remove the protecting layer from the material. Stick the Convalate to the ceiling surface. Smooth out the material from the center to the edges. There should be no stretching of the material. Apply noise block 30 vibration dampening tape on the surfaces of steel profiles adjoining the walls. According to the markups, install and fasten the steel profiles to the walls with the concrete nails in an increment of not more than 400 mm. Install the ceiling profiles in 40 cm increments. Ceiling profiles are attached to the ceiling with vibro-damping fastening vibro lock. The distance between the fastenings is not more than 45 cm. Now we're mounting the vibro-damping tape noise block on steel profiles and end surface of the ceiling profiles. Please pay attention that it's better to use a 30 mm wide tape for steel profiles and 70 mm for ceiling profiles. Peel off the protecting paper from one side of the tape and stick the tape tightly to the profile surface. Remove the protective paper from the other side of the mounted tape. Install and secure drywall sheets on the profile system. For ease of installation, apply noise block 2A on the second layer of the drywall on the bottom of the floor. Remove the protective paper from one side of the sheet. Mount the sheet on the drywall. Apply a continuous layer of noise block sheets to the entire drywall. Remove the release paper from the other side of the noise block 2A. Mount the second layer of the drywall with a third of the sheet offset. Well done! The installation of the sound insulating construction is completed. Let's sum up what we get with the StP solution. Thickness of the construction is not more than 62 mm with a relatively flat ceiling. Reduction of the structural and airborne noise level up to 29 decibels. Low thermal conductivity. Easy mounting comparing to the other sound-absorbing materials. All StP products are environmentally friendly. Do not crumble, do not create any fine dust. That's it, see you in the next video.